Why has this impressive piece of machinery been abandoned here? Rusted steel, heavy cables and giant gears. Whatever this machine was, it was built for serious industrial work. Lifting huge loads and powered by complex mechanical systems, this was designed to handle enormous forces. Today, the sea is slowly tearing it apart. Storm after storm, the structure continues to break down. But even now, parts of the machinery are still clearly visible. So what exactly happened here? In the next video, we'll explore the history of this wreck and its location, while taking a closer look at the gears and machinery to see how it all once operated.